Welcome to the world of infographics. Today, we'll explore how to create stunning visuals using NotebookLM. First, choose your theme. Analyze your data and ideas carefully to set the tone of your infographic. Next, utilize NotebookLM's intuitive templates. Easily customize layouts to fit your needs. Incorporate charts and graphics. Visual representation is vital. Use the library of icons and illustrations available. Finally, refine your design. Experiment with colors, fonts, and spacing for a polished look. And there you have it! Your stunning infographic is ready to share. Impress your audience with your creativity. Now it's time to share your infographic across social platforms. Capture attention with your newfound skills. Engage your audience. Ask for feedback and watch your skills grow with every project. Don't forget to explore more features of NotebookLM. There's always something new to discover. Sign up today and start creating infographics that stand out. Your creative journey begins now. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching and happy designing. Remember, creativity has no limits. Go unleash your potential with NotebookLM.